Okay. You got your first one though, dude. That's so cool.
Rhett, stay back here. Rhetzer, you gotta stay back for a minute.
Just a minute, okay?
After these two, I'm done.
Like,
No, the bullet.
okay.
Hunter, what just happened?
I just got my first one.
Whoop, whoop. I missed recording it though. Rhett, come here.
Okay.
Bull.
Just over it.
Just over?
Yep.
Leave those on. Put them on, hurry.
Bull.
Yeah!
Woo!
Nice!
Good job, Hunter.
Great job,
Would that
buddy.
be a dead bird?
That's a dead bird, buddy.
Look, I hit it.
You crushed it, man. That was
Good job,
perfect.
bud.
Did you record that?
Yeah, I got that one. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
One person at a time.
Ready?
Well, Daddy's helping you guys.
Okay, hold on. Okay, here we go. Are you ready? Okay, here it goes. Oh, still close. Okay, one more. Ready? Oh, almost.
I'm saying no.
Okay, well, let's let brother have a couple more turns, okay?
This one.
Rhett, go stay with Daddy for a second. Go stand over there. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Cute.
Okay.
Don't.
Why don't you click it off safe this time? Get used to doing that. There you go. Okay. Ready?
Yep. Pull.
Ooh,
Where was I now?
I'm not sure. I think you might have been just out front of it. So now remember, when you're aiming, you follow it all the way through. Okay?
Pull. Just under it?
Yep. Safe still. There you go. Ready?
Pull.
Alright.
I don't know where I was.
I'm not sure. Hold on, Buster. You ready?
Pull.
Ah.
Where was I?
Guys good?
Yeah.
Okay. Whenever you're ready, Hunter.
Pull.
I think you're on safety. That's okay.
Pull.
What?
It's all right.
Okay, I'll get it. There, it's gone.
When you're ready.
Pull.
You want to wear these ones again?
What do you think?
It's cool.
Yeah?
Come on.
Yeah.
Stoked that you hit a couple targets?
Stop playing
Yeah, I
with
hit
them
a
now.
couple.
Yeah, you're doing an awesome job, bud.
Mom got one on video.
Good.
I want to hit to 13.
Okay, we'll head to
Am
13.
I shooting?
No, just watch it, okay?
Okay.
Bang.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pull.
It's all right. The wind's carrying it a little bit now.
Do you have another bullet?
Pull.
It's all right. You got a lot of birds, or rabbits.
Getting tired?
Pretend I'm walking.
Yep. Walking along.
Pull.
Oh, you thought it's safe. Oh, I can't even believe it.
Oh. Pull.
Oh, just missed.
Just in front of it?
Yep.
Dang it.
That's all right.
Pull.
Just.
Pull.
Just missed.
Or lean into it.
Pull.
Just missed.
Pull. No!
Oh, it's safe again.
Does that happen in hunting?
It does.
Pull.
Did you get it?
No,
I missed. All right.
I missed.
But those are on.
I think.
Brother's almost done. Come on.
Pull. Pull.
All right. Not quite.
I was unsafe, and then I'm like, oh no!
Ah.
I pushed it.
Okay.
Pull.
Oh, you dusted it.
What does that mean?
You disintegrated it.
What does that mean?
There's nothing left.
No.
That was a great shot, bud.
Nothing left?
Nope. All gone.
That means a dead.
It's
Dead
dead.
bird.
What do you want to shoot?
Bird.
Okay.
Pull.
Good job.
Rabbit.
Rabbit.
Wait.
No, I don't. I'm sure you don't use that.
Rabbit.
Pull.
Nice.
Pull.
Ooh, just behind it.
Is that two?
No, just one.
Pull.
It's all right.
Huh?
So that's all right. It happens.
Rabbit first.
Yep.
Pull.
It's all right.
You don't have to wait for it to get over here either, right?
No, it's just tracking it.
Right.
You're doing good.
All right.
Bird.
Rabbit or bird?
Here comes the bird.
Pull. Daddy?
That's all right.
I wanted to get one.
Hey, you got some, all right? You did a great job.
Really good, Hunter.
How many did I get?
You probably got like 10
10
all together.
altogether.
Yep.
That's pretty
That's
good.
really good for 8.
When do you think I'm ready to go hunting?
Close. You got to shoot a little bit more. Okay?
All right, I'm stepping out.
Okay, let's unload it first. All right? Yeah, what story was that?
So a guy was walking to his truck, and I'm pretty sure it was a shotgun, and he didn't know it was loaded, and he didn't check.
Oh, okay.
So he was walking in the grass, really tall grass, and the trigger pulled in the grass and shot him. I'm pretty sure it was in the leg.
Oh, man. All right, well, let's double check. Make sure your gun's unloaded. Go ahead and grab it. Point it in a safe direction. Okay. Yep. I'm going to open it up.
So close.
I know, it's a
Help
little
me?
tough. Yep. Anything in there? No obstructions?
Nope, but sure needs a little clean.
Okay, well, we got to clean it when we get home, okay? So
And
close.
then-
Once you close it, it goes automatically onto safe.
Oh, it does?
Yep. Let me help you a little bit. All right, good job.
All right, it's on safe.
Okay, and load it into the case.
I accidentally put it on fire, but it's on safe now.
Okay, good job. Thanks for letting me know.
Wait, just double check.
Okay.
Sorry.
It's all right. You should see the S. You should only have to look at it. Do you see the S?
Yeah.
Okay. Then it's on safe. Go ahead and zip it up.
Did you see it?
I did. That's okay. It's never hurts to double check, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I want to be a safe hunter.
Very good. Excellent job, buddy. I'm really proud of you. You shot really well today.
Daddy said I got 10 clays total.
Yep. Some awesome shooting from this little guy. All right.
Make sure to subscribe. Peace.